as observed from the top of 75 meters lighthouse. This is lighthouse of height 75 meters from the sea level నుండి 75 meters height లో ఉంది. The angle of depression of two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Whenever you note down the angle of depressions, you have to draw the normal view. Then when we see the first ship, it is making an angle of 75 and the second ship 30 degrees, 30 and 45. These are two parallel lines. This is a transversal line, therefore this angle must be 30 degrees, and these two are parallel and transversal. This is 45 degrees. ఏదేమైనా దగ్గర నుండి చూస్తున్నప్పుడు తల బాగా ఎత్తాలి కాబట్టి దగ్గర ఉన్నది ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ఈ చివరిది తక్కువ ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ షిప్ నుండి ఇక్కడికి డిస్టెన్స్, ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఫుట్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్ హౌస్ అండ్ ఫస్ట్ షిప్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ టూ షిప్స్ ఈజ్ వై. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of lighthouse, same side of lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. You have to find the value of y. Here are two triangles, right angle triangles. One is this green and second one, big one, yellow. From small triangle, tan 45, because we know the angle and opposite, and we have to find adjacent. With opposite adjacent, there is a trigonometric identity tan. Tan 45 is equal to 75 by adjacent side is x. Then transpose these two. X is equal to 75 by tan 45. X is equal to tan 45 is 1. Therefore 75 meters. This is first one. From the yellow triangle, big triangle, tan 30 is equal to opposite 75 by yellow part. This one is x plus y. This is transpose this like this. X plus y is equal to 75 by, this becomes denominator tan 30. X plus y will be 75 by tan 30 is 1 by root 3. By root 3 becomes into. Divided by root 3 becomes into root 3. X plus y is equal to 75 root 3. This is second equation. Substitute this in second equation. X plus y is equal to 75 root 3, where x is 75 plus y is equal to 75 root 3. Y will be 75 root 3 plus 75 becomes minus 75. Y will be 75 is common in both the terms. Root 3 minus 1 meters is the distance between two ships. The distance between two ships is 75 into root 3 minus 1.